The Geelong Manufacturing Council's Leadership for Manufacturing Excellence program works with emerging and frontline managers to give them the skills to be able to take the next step within their business.
As part of the GMC Manufacturing Leadership course, the project I was working on was called Travel Time is Dead Time. So we've got a large number of electrical maintenance technicians travelling many kilometres between different sites. So we were aiming to reduce the amount of travel time that they spent on the road.
We saw these benefits straight away, like it was great. The huge benefit was their safety, number one, because they're going to be off the road more. We saved 663 hours a year. We also saved 70 tonnes of CO2, which equals about 15 cars per year.
So basically what our project was, so in our manufacturing process, we were having a lot of issues with our plate line processing. So we were depending on like a very old machine to sort of like do 40% of our plate line. It was at that point that we entered this course. The different workshops that we had as part of this course really helped us, take it to a next level.
Our plate line processing has drastically improved since we've done the course. It's really opened our eyes to how we can streamline our processes, and then Kamal's been able to track down some third-party work, which has then created revenue for Hanlon's as well, which has been really beneficial for us.
I was involved in a project with large project lotting. The problem we were trying to solve was a lot of overhandling of steel and a lot of steel getting cut out of priority. Example, very large pedestrian bridge that is a single mark item with thousands of parts involved in it.
We've recently opened up a new shop, and this has sort of highlighted this issue to us. We're still getting to see the full extent of the benefits, but from what we've done so far with it, the project's helped improved flow of work into the shop, and it's reduced our double handling by a significant margin. So being able to work on this was very timely, and it was the perfect project for us to do to benefit the company.
The growth for the individuals is amazing. The benefits for the organisations is great. Over the years that we've been delivering the program, the average return to each of the businesses is about $300,000 per project. To see the participants understand that they have the ability to make that sort of impact on their business through some dedicated focus and some new skills is really rewarding.